I'm about to be late for work. Peanut butter. What in the heck did you get yourself into? Are you kidding me right now? What are you doing? For real? Come on. Come on, let's get you out of here. We gotta untangle you. Come on, let's twist you around. Come on. Come on. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this?
I heard my baby crying for help. I'm coming!
Did you get stuck for goat? Huh? Come here. Don't run away.
Be so stupid. Now why would you even attempt to stick your head through there, fella? Now you're stuck.
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
Rosie, why? Why are you up?
I'm flying. Out of my way.
Yeah! Oh, jeez. This looks kind of dangerous. Oh! Hooray! Mirror!
Yeah, they're invincible, and she just in the background. And she says, I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids.
Hey, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear. Tell you something that you might like to hear.
Oh my god.
Don't bite his tail.
There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
my way.
Everybody look at the snow in the yard. Whoa!
Jesus Christ.
Hi.
Whoa!
Kevin!
Ain't nothing gonna break my stride. Nobody gonna slow me down. Oh no.
Patrick, are you? Oh, yikes. You okay? You okay, Neil? What are you doing? Hello. It's okay.
And they're still stupid!
Alright, calm down. There it is. God damn it, Chug.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
It's really smart.